Assalamu Alaikum. I hope you are doing well. Today I will show you how to install Commandos games in your Android device. First of all, you should download all of these from my website. If you have a PC, you don't need to download extra gear. You can install games from PC, and if you don't have PC, you should follow all these steps. Now run extra gear and go to your download folder. Install this Commandos setup. Wait for installation. You can play this game in extra gear, but performance is not good, so we need to run this game in extra gear strategies.
We must clear this border post to allow.
Now install extra gear strategies. You need XAPK installer or APK pure. Move the Commandos game in your internal storage. Create a folder, name it Extra Gear, and move your Commandos game in there. Now run Extra Gear strategies. Click on three dots. Follow all these steps. Now click on Commandos. You can run this game. You will face this issue. Download the fix from the link and move these both files into your Commandos game directory.
We must clear this border post to allow. And it could work. On my way.
I hope it will work for you, and thanks for
Okay,
watching.
coming.